Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, My Simple Remedies. Today, I'm going to provide you with a proven hair growth remedy that you've probably never heard of before. Your hair will grow so long and thick, you might have to double up on your hair appointments. This remedy has shocked everyone, from hairstylists to doctors. According to the latest research, if you apply this remedy before you shower, in as little as 1 month, your hair will be so long that you'll need to get a haircut just to keep it under control. So, let's get started with this simple remedy. But before we begin, please give this video a thumbs up. First, we're going to need some coconut oil. We're also going to use yogurt for this remedy. Lastly, we'll be using 2 tablespoons of coffee powder, which you can make by grinding up coffee beans. Add the 2 tablespoons of coffee powder into a clean bowl. Next, add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Mix the ingredients thoroughly until it makes a thick paste. Your mixture should look something like this. If you're finding this remedy to be simple and easy to follow so far, be sure to let us know in the comments section below. We always love hearing from you. Next, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of yogurt to the mixture. Be sure to mix it up properly so it forms a thicker paste. Now let's move on to the application method. What you're going to do is take some of the mixture in your hands and massage it well into your hair from the scalp to the ends. This mixture is a great way to infuse your hair with reparative proteins. Once you're done, go ahead and cover it up with a shower cap so you don't make a mess. This remedy will make your hair long and silky. You won't need any other hair growth products once you start using this one. In as little as 1 month, you'll see quite a difference in the length of your hair. After allowing the mask to set on your hair for 1 hour, you can wash it out with a gentle shampoo. You can use this mask up to 3 times per week for optimum results. If you've been hoping to strengthen, lengthen, and boost your hair growth, this natural remedy is for you. We hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share with your friends. Thanks so much for watching.